Last week we have seen the crypto market crashing towards the downside incessantly. The price of Bitcoin reached the $50,000 level mark as well, in the $50,000 range. Ethereum and Solana also dumped heavily. Well, will this dump continue, or this was just a manipulation dump and the price will continue to pump? I'll be discussing each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. On the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and first of all I will heavily recommend you guys to go watch my previous videos on crypto, because I was predicting this dump exactly, and I already told you all that there are very high chances the price of Bitcoin can easily go minimum at this level from $73,000 to $71,000. This is a crucial support for Bitcoin. And well, as you can see, after the price of Bitcoin did a breakdown of this zone, in one day it crashed almost 14%, and as you can see it dumped all the way down till over here $62,000. And the next day we can see the price of Bitcoin going further more towards the downside, going all the way down till $59,000. And if I zoom in, you can see this is the exact support zone from where the price of Bitcoin got a support from $58,000 approx to $60,000. This is a very crucial level for Bitcoin. And well, this is what price action actually means. See, Bitcoin and every other crypto also follows price action and technical analysis, but most of the time they get manipulated a lot. And if you have watched my previous videos, you already know I was saying this for the past couple of months, that the price of Bitcoin has to dump towards the downside heavily. It is just pumping and pumping and pumping in a straight line parabolically. It's already overhyped, and now you can see the price of Bitcoin dumping. High, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low has been made. So this is a clear downtrend over here as of now. And well, I mean, let's see what the price of Bitcoin has to offer. If I move to the weekly time frame chart, you can easily see this is what price action actually means. And well, it is very clear that if the price of Bitcoin does a breakdown of this important white support level, then it will go all the way down till this purple support zone. Well, see, to be quite honest, this purple support zone is a minor support zone according to me, because if the price of Bitcoin does a breakdown of this white support zone, which it did, in fact did, then it will go easily all the way down till this important crucial level from approximately 58,000 to 60k, as I've already mentioned it. Because you can see here also the price of Bitcoin respected this level very, I would say, precisely, and then it did respected this white zone as well. So these two are main levels, and this purple level over here is kind of approximately, I would say, not a major level. So if I reduce its opacity, so now I hope you can understand these two levels are important for Bitcoin. And I'm on the weekly time frame chart, and as you can see, last week candle closed below this important white support level. So now this white level is now a resistance level rather than a support level. So it closed below it, and this week you can see we have already seen a retest over here. But to be quite honest, I will wait this week. Why? Because there are very high chances the price of Bitcoin can pump towards the upside this week, and this candle, which is right now red, it can end up being a green candle and above this level. So that is why right now I am just waiting. If this candle closes exactly like this at the end of this week, then we can say there has been a breakdown with a perfect retest, and now we can see a continuation towards the downside. But for now, I mean, there are obviously very high chances the price of Bitcoin can reverse again towards the upside from here, because we have already seen back to back 3 red candles, and bears are over exhausted right now. So the bulls will enter in the market, and after this huge dump there is always some sideways movement and some opposite side retracement as well. So over here, obviously I'm not taking any trade in Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana as of now. I'm just avoiding right now, not taking any trade. but this week I'm expecting the crypto market to remain consolidated and sideways, and for sure it can pump towards the upside as well. Alright, talking about Ethereum, so I'm on the Ethereum's daily time frame chart, and when I made my last video I discussed about my this short position trade and how I booked my profits over here at $2,180, and after that the price of Ethereum has crashed way below our last seen price. And well, to be quite honest, I did in fact book my, see, obviously no one can predict the exact bottom. I also was not able to predict the exact bottom, because for me this was my target, but when I saw the candle reversing towards the upside, so approximately here, so this was my final take profit over here, my latest take profit I would say at $1,940. Rest of my stop loss is being trailed, and still this short position on Ethereum is still running, so let's see how this will go. But for now, I mean, yeah, this is the update over here, and let's see what will happen next. Still the stop loss is being trailed and I'm still holding on to my profit. So if the price of Ethereum dumps from here, good. If it pumps, then it's okay, I will close my short position. And obviously nothing much in Ethereum, because the main chart right now is of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin faced a heavy crash towards the downside, and that is why I'm giving more of my attention to Bitcoin rather than Ethereum as of now, because if Bitcoin dumps and pumps, Ethereum will follow the same, and followed with every other crypto as well. So as of now I'm maintaining a serenity and just focusing on Bitcoin. And talking about Solana, then obviously I did entered in a long position on Solana as well. Well, see, I hope you all remembered, before talking about my latest long position, I hope you remember I entered in a long position over here. Do watch my previous crypto videos, you will understand what is my take on Solana and why I entered in this long position, and whether I ended up in profits or loss or not. But to be quite honest, when this whole dump was happening last week, we have seen the price of Solana reaching this level over here. This is a very crucial support zone for Solana, from $81 to $85-86 approx, and I've already mentioned it dozens of times in my previous some videos that there are very high chances the price of Solana can come near its support level and can give a fake out. I told you all this will happen here. It did not happen here, so I did not enter in any trade. It did happen over here, as you can see. Slightly the price of Solana gave a fake out and then it pumped. That is why I entered in this long position trade. And well, when the price of Solana was dumping, I obviously did not take any trade in middle, because obviously I don't take trade in middle of nowhere. I only take trade near my levels. So as soon as the price of Solana reached my level, I just patiently waited for the price of Solana to give a fake out to dump. And as soon as I saw this candle over here, so on Thursday this candle closed at $78 below this crucial support zone, and on the next day we have seen the price of Solana going all the way down till over here $67. I already knew that this will pump, and to be quite honest, let me share some very valuable information with you guys. You see this wick over here, this is the entry price for smart traders. So they first manipulated the price to dump towards the downside, so that most of the people can get liquidated, they can be used up as exit liquidity, and smart people entered over here. So this is where smart people entered, and they are already in profits. And I also entered over here only. I entered somewhat over here at $71 approximately, because I already knew that the price of Solana is just dumping and dumping towards the downside for the past, I would say, approximately a month. It is just dumping. This was for sure organic dump, but this was manipulation. The last stretch we have seen in the price of Solana, the last dump we have seen in the price of Solana was manipulation, and that is why many retailers got liquidated and smart people entered over here. And so this is their entry price right now, 66 to 70, 72, $73 approximately are their entry price. And that does not mean that from here the price of Solana will go up only. It can dump again towards the downside as well. Anything can happen according to technical analysis, but I'm just saying that there's pretty high chances that top 1% of the people, smart people, entered over here only. And as I said, that the price of Bitcoin can be seen sideways this week and a little bit pump. So if that happens, same will happen with Solana also. If Bitcoin dumps, then obviously Solana will also dump. And again, this is obviously a risky trade, because again I'm going against my trend, and I entered in a long position when the price was literally dumping towards the downside in a running live candle, not even doing my analysis on a closed candle. So obviously this is a very risky trade for me, but it's okay. Even if this trade goes against me, I'll end up in profits only. So let's see what happens next. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. As you have seen, I've entered in a new long trade on Solana. I'll be discussing exactly why I entered and my stop loss, my take profit in my next video, or most probably in my new short video as well, because I have not posted any short video for the past couple of, I would say, 1 to 2 weeks. So do watch my short video as well. But for now, as you have already seen, the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana have crashed incessantly towards the downside last week, and to be quite honest, I'm expecting a sideways movement this week and little bit pump we can see. But I mean, to be quite honest, personally I'm in a long position on Solana, so I'm expecting a little bit pump in the price of Bitcoin and Solana. But again, anything can happen, and even if this trade goes against me, it's okay, because mentally I'm already prepared that this will go in, I would say, in loss only, and this will, it can also go in profit. So mentally I'm prepared for both, and it's okay, no matter at all. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. What do you guys think will happen this week and the next coming weeks in the price of Bitcoin? To be quite honest, I'm expecting the next coming weeks and months for the price of Bitcoin to dump towards the downside more, because we have already seen $59,000 right now, but I'm expecting the price of Bitcoin to go approximately 35-40k. There is a very important CME level also. I would say, I won't say CME level, but a gap which is remaining in the futures chart of Bitcoin, somewhat near $19,000 to $20,000. So let's see, the prices of Bitcoin can go all the way down till that level also to fill that gap. But to be quite honest, I'm expecting the price of Bitcoin to minimum, my personal opinion, it can go till $35,000-$40,000. But that does not mean that I'm entering in a short position right now only. I will enter in a short position according to the analysis and according to what the market has to offer for me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And nothing of this is any financial advice. I'm not giving any trading signals. These are just my own personal analysis and trades. Just learn from them. Don't copy trade me or anyone else. Do trading on your own and make mistakes and learn from them rather than copying someone. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys next time.